Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my top 5 IKEA items that I recommend purchasing if you are doing some if you are doing some organizing, cleaning, decluttering, and figuring out some storage solutions for your home. So these are the top 5 products that I highly recommend that we've been using for years and I definitely think are worth investing in and have helped us keep our home much more organized. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Okay, let's start with my number 1 most favorite item from IKEA, and that is the Cutest system. They have so many different configurations of this, and basically they're open storage cubes. This one is a set of 8 that I have in my son's nursery, and I have some of his favorite toys that he can easily access here, as well as some bins that fit in the Cutest system. And what's really nice about it is IKEA offers all different kinds of storage bins that fit in it really easily. We have a mix. We've tried out a few. In this one in the nursery, I've got the soft sided one as well as the wicker baskets. The wicker baskets are actually my favorite. I think that they look the nicest, but they're a little bit more expensive than some of the others, so I don't have too many of them, but I think they look really, really nice. But you can get all sorts of different colors and customize it all different ways and really make it perfect for exactly what you want it to be in your home. So we have some books in this one as well as some toys like I mentioned, and what's nice is you can have a mix of open shelving as well as the closed ones. They also offer doors and more shelving accessories you can use for inside there, but you just want to be careful because they can really add up in price. We have 2 other Cutest systems in our house. This is the one in our living room, and I like to do a toy rotation and I'll sub things in and out. Right now, the bottom bins have puzzles in them. By the way, these little bags I got on Amazon, I can link those. I love putting things with little pieces in them. Not from IKEA, but I still do love them. So that's how we use this 4-cube Cutest up here in our living room. And then in our basement, we have another 4-cube Cutest that's mostly being used for trains, tracks, and little people sets. And I really just mix things around. I'll often take a whole bin and swap it from one Cutest to another. So it's super versatile, and I think it works in every room no matter what the design. Then my next favorite IKEA storage item are the Cutest Boxes. Again, these come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. I think we have all of them in our house. We use them absolutely everywhere for everything. In our living room, we have a bunch for art projects because our living room is right next to our dining room table where we do most of our art projects. But I use them inside the Cutest system to store toys as well as in various rooms of the house. I like also just keeping them out in the open. I think it works really nicely because they make even really cluttered things like this little sensory bin that my baby was playing with that just had absolutely everything in it still look neat and tidy, because when you put it in like a Cutest shelf, you only see as the clean edges and nice simple colors of it, and it really helps simplify things for your eyes in your home. Upstairs in my master bedroom, we also have one of the giant Cutest boxes, and this we use for our Lego Duplo. So I like keeping different toys in different areas of the house. So all our Lego Duplo is in our master bedroom, so it's kind of a treat when the boys are up there. They know that they can play with the Lego and it's something for them to do while I'm getting ready or whatnot. So I love the sturdiness of these boxes, the lids that they come with, and again, just the variety and sizes of them, so you can really find something for anything that you need to store. Another example of storing with the Cutest box is in my other son's bedroom. He has all his Melissa and Doug wooden toys in it. As you can see, they are overflowing out of the top, but I just put the lid at the bottom so we could still use it and it could still look nice and organized, but I should go through that. There's also a tiny one up in my son's bedroom for just little odds and ends in his closet. And I'm constantly just swapping them around the house and finding different uses for them. My next favorite IKEA storage item are the Scoob Set. This is a set of liners and boxes for a chest of drawers for clothing storage. You could use them in other ways as well, but I love using them for this. This is what they are designed for. So I use it to separate our drawers for things like shirts or shorts and pants. It just helps it keep it really nice and tidy. Another IKEA storage item I love are the Alux Drawers. This is one of my favorite things for crafting. There's a lot of drawers in these sets, but they're not very tall, so you can store a bunch of different things within them, so it's really great for crafting. Mine is being used for storing gift bags and other gifting things, and it fits nicely under my desk. Then my last IKEA item that I want to mention are the Nordic chest of drawers. You can use this to store anything. I have it in my master bedroom closet. I think it looks really nice. It's one of the more pricier items when it comes to IKEA collections, but I think it is totally worth it. I've had it for, I think, 5 years now, and it looks brand new still. I don't overstuff my drawers, and I am gentle with them, so that might be why, but I think it's such a high quality item from IKEA, and I would definitely use these in a playroom as well. Again, they're on the pricier end, so I haven't invested more in them, but I think one day I would love to have them in the playroom and put some of those boxes inside because they are really lovely. So that's it. Those are my top 5 items from IKEA that I absolutely love for storage and organization. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!